Hi, this is Casey from SegMetrics, and today I'm going to show you how to drill down into your leads by using SegMetrics report filters. Report filtering is one of the key features of SegMetrics. Filtering lets you slice and dice your lead segments, discovering where to focus your marketing. To start filtering your reports, first choose a report type from the left-hand menu. When you open up the report, you'll see that each of the reports has one or two default filters already attached to them, depending on the report type. You can edit or remove these filters, but these are the recommended base filters for the report that will help you get the most accurate data. For example, in the contacts report, you can see that the default filter only matches contacts created in the date range. This helps us understand the lead value of new leads during the report timeframe, which is the most common use case for the contacts report. To add a new filter, click the Add Report Filter button and choose the filters that you want to apply. SegMetrics lets you filter a number of properties, including information about the contact, their purchases, links they've clicked, or ads they've interacted with. For this filter, we're going to initially look at people who have gone through our Evergreen webinar campaign. From the filters, choose Contact Tag Begins With, and we're going to select our EG webinar sequence as the filter. Now we have a report that shows us all new leads who have gone through our Evergreen webinar campaign in the last month. If we wanted to, we could change the report to show all contacts who have gone through the campaign in the last month, regardless of whether they are new to our list or not. Let's do that now. First, we want to change the Contact Created filter to be Anytime, and change the Contact Tag filter to be in Date Range. Now click Apply Filters, and we see our new report data. If we want to use this report filter in multiple reports without having to configure it every time, we can create a saved segment. First click the button Create Segment from Filters in the Filters box. Then enter the name of the segment and click OK. You can see that creating the segment combines all your filters together, and instead of two filters, we now have one called Belongs to Segment. This segment can now be used in any report that we make, and editing the segment will update it on all the reports it's included in. Now let's look at how we can use the breakdown features of SegMetrics to further analyze our data. Click the Table button at the bottom of the report and choose the value that you want to break down the data by. Let's start with Tags and Filter. Since we are using a filter that says Starts With, multiple tags are included in our report. The Tags in Filter table allows us to see the KPIs for all the tags that are contained in the report. As you can see, this is a very effective way to measure the performance of a single campaign, or touch points within a marketing funnel. You can see here that we have a number of contacts who start the campaign, as well as how many of those contacts download the PDF, register for the webinar, or even attend the webinar. Each of these tags has a lead value and conversion rate attached to it, so we can see how valuable each of the touch points in the sequence is. This is a great way to quickly find the most valuable touch points in your campaigns. We can also break down the report data by other fields. Some common examples are measuring the value of various lead sources, or any custom data that you may have attached to the contacts. One example would be to break down lead value by state, age, or household income, as long as you're recording the information in your CRM. After you set up reports how you like, you can click the Save button at the top to save your report or add it to your custom dashboards. Thanks very much for watching this video, and as always, let us know if you have any questions.